Hey code chasers, how are you? I hope you're fine and healthy. With that healthy vibe, we will start our video today. I am Madhu Lakshmana Tiketi. Welcome to our channel Code Chasers. In our last video, we saw the sequence data types, right? A string, a Python list, and a tuple. In this video, we will see what is a string in detail and how we can access the characters in a string and what is a string slicing. First of all, we will recall what is a string, okay? String is a collection of characters, maybe same data type or different data types, enclosed in between single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. As of now, as an example, I've enclosed them in between double quotes. Okay. So, in this example, I have taken a string code chasers and I have assigned it to a variable string1. Okay. Now, our first topic, how can we access characters in this string? To enter into the topic of accessing a character from a string, we have to first know what is indexing in Python. Okay, indexing is a method used to access any element from the sequence data type. Okay, here string is a sequence data type, est is a sequence data type, tuple is also a sequence data type. So we will use the process or the method of indexing to access the characters from the string. Indexing in a simple way is nothing but giving positions to the characters in the string. We are positioning the characters in the string. Okay. We will see clearly with this example what is indexing and how indexing takes place in a string. Before that, we will see types of indexing in Python. Indexing in Python is of two types. Okay. First is positive indexing. Second one is negative indexing. First one, positive indexing. Positive indexing allows us to access the characters from the front of the string. If at all we take negative indexing allows us to access the characters from the back of the string. We will see clearly what is positive indexing and what is negative indexing with the help of an example. For example, I have taken a string code chasers and I have assigned it to a variable string1. Okay. Now we will see how the indexing happens in this string in Python. If we take the string code chasers, positive indexing in Python allows to access characters from the front of the string and it will start with 0 always. As we can see in the example, the first character in the code chasers is C. Okay. And the indexing position of C is 0 in positive indexing. And if we shift to the second alphabet, that is O, the indexing position of O is 1 in positive indexing. Likewise, the third element or the third character in the code chasers is D. And the index position the character D is holding is 2. Likewise, it will continue till the last character in the string code chaser. Okay. Now, the last character in the code chaser string is R. R is holding an index position of 9. This is positive indexing in Python. And this is how the positive indexing happens in a string. If we come to negative indexing allows to access the characters from the back of the string, and negative indexing always starts with -1 and it starts from back of the string. If we see, the last character in the code chaser string is R. In negative indexing, the last character will hold a position of -1 in negative indexing. A last second character in the string, that is E, will hold a position of -2 in negative indexing. Likewise, the third last character in the string is S. It will hold a position of -3 in negative indexing. It continues like this and it reaches the very first character of the string, that is C. and C will hold a position of or the index of -10 in negative indexing. Like this, a negative indexing will take place in a string in Python. I hope you understood what is negative indexing and what is positive indexing and how negative and positive indexing takes place in a string in Python. Now we will shift back to the topic accessing a character from a string. Now we will access the characters in the string 1 by using positive indexing. Okay, I am taking string 1. We have to open square braces and we need to give the index position. Like I want to access a character which is at index position 2 from the string 1. Okay, we have to give the notation like this. Okay, now to view the result, I'll just print it. Okay, I am printing the char at index position 2 is, and I am accessing the character which is at index position 2 from the string 1. Okay, that is code chasers. If at all I execute this code, the output will be D. We'll check whether it is correct or not as per the positive indexing. As per the positive indexing, this is index position 0 and index position 1 and index position 2. Yeah, this is correct. The output is correct. Yes, at index position 2, D is present in the string. Like this, we can access elements or characters at different index positions. Now, I will access element which is at 6th index position. Okay. If at all I execute this code, the output is the character at index position 6 is A. We will once check it. Okay. As per the positive indexing, indexing will start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, at index position 6, the alphabet or the character which is present in the string is A, and my output is also A, which is correct. This is how we access elements or characters from a string by using positive indexing. Now we will access the elements or characters in the string by using negative indexing. Okay, for that we have to follow the same notation. In place of index, in positive indexing we have given a positive index, and here in negative indexing we have to give negative index. Okay, if at all I want to get the very last character of the string 1, I am giving -1. Okay, I am printing this to know whether it is fetching the very last character or not. Okay. Okay, I have written a simple print statement. The character at index -1 is, and then because negative indexing starts from the back of the string and negative indexing starts with -1. So, following those two rules, we have to get output as alphabet S. We will run and see this. Okay. See, the character at index -1 is yes, alphabet S, and the output is correct because we have accessed the character using negative indexing, and as per the accessing index, that is -1, it should give the very last character of the string, and it has given a correct value. If we see another example, if at all you want to access the last but one character, I have to give -2, right? Index. I am just printing the value and I am seeing it, whether it is giving the correct value or not. The output that what we got is the character at index -2 is R, alphabet R. As per the negative indexing, -2 index should give output R, that is last but one character, and we also got the output same, that is R alphabet. That means this output is as expected. First of all, we will access the character h by using positive indexing. For that, I'll give the variable name, then I'll open the square braces, then I'll give the index position, that is 5. We just saw h is present at index 5 in positive indexing. I'll just print this accessed value. Okay. I'm just printing a simple statement, that is accessing character h through positive indexing, and then I have given the accessed value, that is string 1 of the index position. Now we will access the character h using negative indexing. For that, again I am giving the variable name, square braces open, then I am giving the negative index, that is -5, because as per the negative indexing, my character h is present at an index of -5. I am just printing it. So I have just written a simple print statement again here, accessing character h through negative indexing. Then I have accessed the character h from the string 1 through negative indexing. Okay. Once we'll execute these two, and we'll see, ideally we should get the same output, that is character h at both the places. Yes, our output is as expected. The very first statement, it is saying accessing character h through positive indexing is h. Accessing character h through negative indexing is also h. So like this, we will access the elements in a string by using negative indexing or positive indexing. I hope you understood clearly what is a negative indexing as well as what is a positive indexing. Now you can explore from your side to access the element in any string in Python. One quick and important information. There are 3 courses running parallelly in our channel. Course 1, Python full course. Course 2, PySpark with Hadoop full course. These 2 courses are designed for beginners, and they are designed in such a way that a person who doesn't have any knowledge in any coding language can also easily understand the content in this course. So please do follow if you are interested. And the third course is Python interview preparation. This course is designed for those people who are preparing for Python based interviews. In this course, most frequently asked Python interview questions were taken, and they have been answered with live coding sessions for each and every questions if needed. So if you like my work, please do subscribe to our channel and like the video, and click on the bell icon to get notified about the updates of our channel. Thank you so much.